Meaning of forgather.
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 Forgather. Forgather means to come together in a group or gathering. When people forgather, they usually have a common purpose or interest. The result of forgathering can be diverse depending on the context. It might lead to a casual conversation among friends, a formal meeting between colleagues, a rally to protest a social issue, or a celebration of a festival or event. The act of forgathering creates an opportunity for people to interact, share ideas, build relationships, and create a sense of community.